Hello everyone, welcome to Create Channel. So today we're gonna make a tomato gratin. The reason why is because I was given a delicious recipe from the tomato farmer and we sent her a lot of cherry tomatoes. So thank you Miss Mikiko and Mr. AG. So have a look. Doesn't it look delicious? So after watching it, you will want to make it too. So okay, let's get started. So okay, these are the ingredients for today. So I've used cherry tomatoes, but you can also use cut up tomatoes to make this dish. Also, I've written the approximate amount, but you can adjust the amount of ingredients according to how much you want to eat. So here are the tomatoes ready for frying. So first, please remove stems from the tomatoes, rinse them lightly and wipe them dry with a kitchen towel. So now I'm gonna fry the tomatoes, but before do that, please preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So, and then set the heat to low and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the pan. So when the pan is warm enough, add the cherry tomatoes and fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until the skin of the tomatoes are slightly cracked. So the health benefits of tomatoes are well known, but when taken with olive oil, they can help prevent cardiovascular diseases such as myocardial infarction caused by arteriosclerosis. So finish with a sprinkle of salt and black pepper. So okay, cherry tomatoes are ready. So and then transfer to an oven-proof dish. So next, let's put cheese on top. If you love cheese, please add as much as you like. So finally, top with mayonnaise as well. So I use Kewpie mayonnaise. If you want the same but can't afford it, you could try using the Heinz Japanese style mayonnaise instead. Personally, I think it tasted similar to Kewpie mayonnaise. So this brand uses only egg yolks rather than eggs as an ingredient. So the taste is said to be mellower and creamier than other companies. So now bake it in the oven for 25 minutes or until the mayonnaise is browned. Ta-da! Tomato gratin is ready. It's a very good browning and has a nice smell of cheese. So sprinkle with parsley to finish. So the juice of the tomato is very hot, so be careful when eating them. But cherry tomatoes were sweetish by heating and eating with melted cheese, so it's a paradise in your mouth. I promise, you're gonna love it. And this is a tomato gratin with boiled broccoli. This is also delicious and I'd recommend it. So the soup is also full of tomato juice, melted cheese and mayonnaise. Give it a delicious flavor. So please eat them all and please give it a try. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed it. So see you in my next video.